which is to show you some videos which I already briefed about, but I will talk on it as the videos play, after which we shall have the interactive session. Now to the videos, please. Truck with rockets and cannons. As you see the video, you can see the terrorists, you can see them moving. Recall, I mentioned the enclave of Labi Nagugu in Dan Musa local government area of Katsina State. Battle damage assessment confirmed that we killed other combatants at the location and his lieutenants, including his brother. Let's go to the next video. They've been hiding and moving around. This is their new enclave. It's located in Igabi, local government area of Kaduna State. The governor of Yobe State, who had gone to Maiduguri for a function. The convoy, while on the way back to Damaturu, was attacked close to Benishek. The governor was not in the convoy. Those that were in the convoy, I have listed them out. The terrorists are being hunted, and it is clear that they did that just for sensational headlines in the media. We will get them, and we will know what to do with them. Troops are aggressively going after them. As for the claim of resurgence, there's no resurgence. The terrorists are targeting soft targets similarly to be in the media. From what you have seen and what I've shown you, you can see how we are continually bringing our military bear upon them, taking them out, putting them on the run, and sooner than later, all this will be history. All we need is for Nigerians to continue to support us, pray for us as we go out there to fight this battle. And like I said, victory is non-negotiable in this fight. Thank you very much. 16 of them, and they rescued 3 kidnapped hostages. The troops also recovered 5 AK-47 rifles, 2 locally made hand grenades, 7 magazines, 19 rounds of 7.62 mm special ammo, among others. Let's now roll over to the south-south, where we have Operation Delta Safe. Troops of Operation Delta Safe maintained the momentum against the activities of crude oil theft. Troops destroyed several illegally refining sites and recovered stolen products. Troops conducted operations also in Akpabuyo and Isoko local government areas of Cross River and Delta states respectively. Troops arrested suspected criminals in Ikoba, Oha local government area of Edo State. Troops recovered over 578,000 liters of stolen crude oil, over 454,000 liters of illegally refined AGO, and 10,000 liters of DPK. Troops also apprehended 45 suspected oil thieves. Additionally, troops discovered and destroyed over 240 dugout pits, 31 boats, 69 storage tanks, 23 vehicles, among others. Significantly, on the 15th of November, troops with hybrid forces raided suspected drug peddlers' hideout in Isoko local government area, Isoko North local government area of Delta State. During the operation, troops arrested 6 suspects. Similarly, on the 19th, troops ambushed kidnappers and made contact in Bakassi local government area of Cross River State. Following a firefight, troops neutralized 3 of the kidnappers and recovered 2 locally made pistols, 10 rounds of 9mm ammunition, 2 mobile phones, among others. You are kindly to note that the kidnappers were armed and therefore combatants. Overall, troops of Operation Delta Safe recovered over 570,000 liters of stolen crude oil, over 454,000 liters of illegally refined AGO, and 10,000 liters of DPK. Additionally, troops discovered and destroyed over 240 dugout pits, over 60 storage tanks, and 50 illegal refining sites, among others. Troops also neutralized 4 criminals, apprehended 51 involved in oil theft and other criminal elements. Troops recovered 3 locally made pistols, 10 rounds of 9mm ammo, among others. Now, to the southeast, where we have Operation Udoka. Troops of Operation Udoka encountered meeting engagements with suspected terrorists in Hiala local government area of Anambra State. Troops arrested suspected criminals in Onuke, Iza local government area of Ebonyi State. Significantly, on the 16th of November, troops, while on night patrol, made contact with suspected criminals in Hiala local government area of Anambra State. Following a firefight, troops neutralized 2 terrorists and recovered 1 double-barrel gun, among other items. Similarly, on the 16th of November, troops responded to a distress call on suspected Ionu militia group activities in Ishelu local government area of Ebonyi State. During the operation, troops arrested 4 suspected criminals and recovered 1 locally made pistol and 6 rounds of 9mm ammunition. Overall, troops of Operation Udoka neutralized 6 criminal combatants, arrested 14 suspected indigenous people and Eastern Security Network cohorts, and rescued 2 kidnapped hostages. Troops also recovered 1 pump-action gun, 6 rounds of 9mm ammo, among others. It's good to note that all the recovered items, arrested suspects, and rescued hostages were handed over to relevant authority for further actions, including prosecution. Now, going by the outcome of ongoing operations across the country, it is clear that the military is ready, the military is capable, and the military is eager to continue its mission of securing the country by the destruction of the terrorists, by the destruction of the extremists, as well as the destruction of insurgents. Given that there are several lines of operation in counterinsurgency, it should be noted that combat operations against insurgents and terrorists is just one of the lines of operations. The other lines of operations must complement the ongoing military operation for more successful outcomes. The armed forces is therefore counting on the support of the citizens of this country, particularly in the area of public opinion. We are in this war together and should see ourselves encouraging our troops to win the war. The gallant men and women of the armed forces continue to put themselves in harm's way to ensure the safety and the security of citizens. Let's exhibit patriotism in all our actions and our discourse. The armed forces is open to workable ideas on ways to improve these operations and move them forward. The country, Nigeria, it belongs to all of us. And victory in this war is non-negotiable. Together, we not just win, but we have dominion. Thank you very much. Now I will go to the second